Hey guys, so
Death party here. We have a really quick expected visitor.
can I hold him?
The frog.
Oh,
Jump. I got him. He's in it. I got him.
So,
Oh, he's little. He's so little.
oh, he's just a baby. Okay, so we're gonna go put him in a bucket. So put him in my net.
Wait, what? Why a bucket?
Okay, we're just gonna leave him in there. He's actually really cool. He's just a little baby, so.
We'll be right back when we get a bucket for frog.
What?
What the heck is that? Oh my god, it's a foot! Plastic at least. Good to know.
You got a frog.
Plastic. You two deck on play. That's foot. Alright, keep it rolling. Hold on.
Oh my god, it's really deep.
Okay guys, so now we're checking out the frog. What I want to show about it. Oh my god. Alright, so, oh my god. Alright. We'll just catch it out with the bucket real quick.
You want ice or anything?
I was gonna say, what the hell? So yes, so this is the frog. They're slimy and toads are bumpy. And then these ones don't have quite sharp nails because these ones are more water. So these ones, yeah. And I'll see if I'll get you a jumping speed here too, but this one might be hard to catch.
Oh.
Yeah, so these ones are quicker. So anyway, so see you in the next video.